Hello everyone, my name is Kamal and in this video I am going to show how can you create trap beat in the Logic Pro. Let's see on the screen.
First of all, you just take a new file and open the Logic Pro and take a new file from here. You just click here, click on the software instrument and create. It will automatically, it will visible right now. This one is a Logic Pro. You can see his interface. So if you want to create a music track, first of all you just set a BPM of the track. Okay, according to my requirement I will take 95 BPM because I am creating trap beat style. I think it's appropriate according to my track, and my time signature is 4 by 4. You can set 4 by 4 or 4 by 8. I will set 4 by 8, and you can listen sound of the metronome. That's great. Okay, and after BPM setting I will set chords of the track. So first of all I will create a master chords of this track. So I will use C minor scale. So my first chord is C minor, second is G minor, and third is F minor. Done. So I will play and I will record MIDI file of this track. Done. Okay, so I will open the piano roll of this MIDI file and will select, just click on that particular piano roll and all select, and I will quantize of this track, I mean MIDI files keys. It will automatically on the beats, and you will click here according to time quantize. So I can use as a intro of this track. So after that, this one is my loop. That's great. And after the piano chords I will set the ARP of the track. So I'm thinking about that which one ARP is better for these chords. So I was using C minor and G minor and F minor. So we can use these types of ARP. Let's try 2, 3, 4. Okay, you just double click here for the piano roll, and all select of these keys, quantization of the keys. It will automatically on the beat and set on the according to first MIDI file. We will listen together. I will play both file. this one is a good. I will. That's good. Yeah, after that I want to add pads or strings type sound. So I will find from the library. So this one is a, oh, let's try. String session. That's good sound. And after the pads I want to add uh, piano filler. So I will, this one is a, so we will record these types of. I think this one is good. First of all I will quantize of this MIDI file, I mean keys of piano roll. Same command I will apply for this quantization. You just select all the keys and click here. This one is good or not, I want to check it. That's great. Okay. Actually actually according to me I think it's not complete right now. And I want to add a lead melody. So I want to try in the, yes, strings. String is I think better. Okay, I will try what I can do. Recording is on. I think this one is good. Again I will quantize the melody, I mean keys of the piano roll. Okay, after these strings I want to add some more arp, so we can use piano for the arp. Let's try, I think, this types of. So let's try. I will play. Recording is on. Great. I want to set here. That's great. Now we will listen what we have created right now.
Thanks for watching this video. If you want to learn more, stay connected with us. Think big, dream big.